Hi guys, it's Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge. I'm pretty excited to get in front of the camera today because we have the Grand Cherokee L here. Beside me, this one specifically is the Overland. So it's pretty incredible what you can get into a 7-passenger vehicle and make it feel as special as this one does. So we're going to just go over a couple of those things. I won't draw this out too much. Beautiful LED running headlights as well as the chrome tow hook, so it is a utility vehicle. It still has the ability to do utility things, but it's also very refined and gorgeous. So door handles newly redesigned, nice beautiful long grip to them, as well as the locking unlocking capability from just a touch. Come to the back of the vehicle, you get those beautiful big nice 20-inch wheels. Grand Cherokee L, power lift gate, lifts right up. You're going to notice in the back here we have the beautiful capability to lay our seats down from this button just here. Oh, sorry, this one might be in ship mode. You'll have to forgive me there, so some of the features won't work, but take my word for it. This one here powers the back row down and powers it back up. The next one here releases the second row, so if you got to quickly put everything down and put some in the back of your vehicle, you're not walking around to each door opening it and putting seats down. You just do it all from right here. You'll have to come down and try it yourself. I'm glad it's in ship mode because you have to come down and try it. So along with that, you got these nice LED lights to light up obviously the rear of the vehicle. Underneath this cover is your trailer hitch. So there is definitely towing capability with this vehicle. Let's check out the inside. Hi guys, Shannon sitting on the inside of this beautiful Grand Cherokee Overland. There's a few things about this vehicle that are incredibly special. This one is having an all-new redesign. I'm going to go over just 3 things, just because there's a lot to go over, one of which is the Mcintosh sound system. That's a world-renowned studio recording company that allows for, again, some of the best sound quality that you can get in the market. It's got the adaptive cruise control, so it'll actually control the speed of the vehicle according to the vehicle in front of it. It's using like a sonar type technology, for lack of better words right now. It's just slipping my mind. But basically sending a sensor wave to the vehicle in front and back to you, keeping your distance according to the speed. Just nice for those single lane highways where you're driving along, you have to keep changing your cruise control. Way easier this way. Memory seating on either side, as well as massage seats, so that's pretty fantastic. You and your passenger can be headed on a road trip and get a massage on the way. Lastly, they've completely changed the way you can maneuver the comfortability of your seat, and one of which is these bolsters. So I don't know if you can tell on the video, but right now I'm holding the button and the bolsters are slowly moving out, so that way you can just sit a little bit more comfortable or have it as more of a sporty feel, hugging you tight. So those are just a few things of the Grand Cherokee L that I'm excited and passionate about, along with the fact that it has a lot more to offer. So come on down to St. Albert Dodge. My name's Shannon. I'd love to show you more.